While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Yo, alright, we're about to check out Stray Kids right now. Let's just get into this, shall we? I already see the back of Hugh Jackman, Wolverines look at this. That is Australia's ass. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's go. Stray Kids.
It's recommended to stay home.
Why didn't you mention there's no phone here?
What the hell is going on? What? So,
I was in there for 30 minutes.
What's happening?
No.
What the hell?
One thing. A toilet? Yes. A sink? No. Toilet paper.
What?
Good evening. And thank you for watching CCB News. I'm Ryan Reynolds. And we have breaking news live from New York City.
Excuse me? Damn, of course they gotta attack me with Felix.
And we have breaking news live
From New York City. Boom, boom. Woo. Hey. Yeah, that's the most calmest I heard John Bin rap, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you know that meme where he's like, it's not the same vibe though. Ooh. Got that.
Filling up my truck, yeah, you want that ride? Boom.
Boom.
Hit you like a truck, I'ma make you fly.
Oh, very like reggaeton. Oh my god, Hyunjin. Hey! Ra-ta-ta-ta. Shout out to the Pokemon. Oh, I like how that started. So much is happening. The fact that Ryan Reynolds is in the music video, my god.
Filling up my truck, yeah, you want that ride? Boom. Hit you
Boom.
like a truck, I'ma make you fly.
Hey yo, that move is dangerous, sir. Boom, boom. It's definitely a different vibe, obviously, because it's like more reggaeton feel. Hey yo. Ooh. La vida loca. Do you think this song is gonna be in Deadpool's? When is Deadpool coming out?
That's it for us tonight at CCB News. Join us next. How long have you guys been sitting there?
For a while. Pretty long.
Yeah. Right. Any chance that you're, looking for an older, less agile member? Maybe?
No.
No.
Yeah. And then,
Wait, that's so dope. What the hell? Stray Kids Deadpool soundtrack comes out really soon. Oh, what? They have a different song for Deadpool. Check out the track list for Deadpool. Oh, what? Wait, I gotta see the beginning. First of all, Hugh Jackman is Wolverine.
why didn't you mention there's no phone here?
what the hell is going on?
Is this like green screen? What is this?
What?
This.
So,
I was in there for 30 minutes. No.
I love it. Just off that. That's so fucking iconic. Holy crap. Of course, Stray Kids always come through with the heaters. It's definitely a little bit more different. Obviously Chick Chick Boom. Very reggaeton based. Obviously using Spanish words too. Actually the whole chorus, even though the sounds, it does get into my head already easily. Oh, bro, I tried to stay away from this for a long time because I wanted my first reaction to this. As Stray Kids coded, it premiered the night before. Wait, say what again? Oh, for the Deadpool Stray Kids song. I definitely have to check out Deadpool. I have to. I can't even talk right now. They announced a tour for the entity. Oh, Stray Kids Deadpool soundtrack comes out really soon. It's called /Stray. Oh, so that's kind of crazy. Dre's lagging, bro. I still think what is this? Did I just spoil myself? I figured out that Hugh Jackman and Ryan Reynolds. I can't even say Ryan Reynolds right. Yo, all right, we're about to check out Stray Kids right now. Let's just get into the shop. Did I just spoil my? Bro, I'm tired. I think I'm still a little jet lagged. I think I'm about to end my Dre, go sleep. Chill. I'm good. I'm great.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.